So here is how we can delete messages in bulk on the iPhone. Let me talk about it and guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So it kind of depends on how exactly you want to delete the messages, whether you want to bulk delete the actual like text bubbles or the threads. So when it comes to the threads, you can actually select multiple of the conversations using the two-finger swipe gesture, which is something which isn't that common among users, but you can perform it like this, and you just keep on selecting those message threads, and you can do some things about it. Like I can click on unread, which means that it's going to give me the unread status, or I can as well tap on the trash icon and move it all to the trash. Right now that I'm in this select mode, I can even go in here and I don't have to go just like, in order, but that's how you can select and delete the messages in bulk. Right, so that's how it would work on the message conversation level. But if you get inside, you can as well delete multiple or bulk text bubbles right here. So if I hold down on any of them, let's see, I'm going to click on this and hold down on this happy birthday, whatever. I'm going to click on more. And as you can see, it also allows me to select multiple different messages, right? So I can click on all of those which I want to select, right? It doesn't matter if it's from this side or the other. And I have the ability to click on the trash again. So these messages will be deleted from all of your devices, just like I wanted, and that's how it would work. Okay, so that's the first thing. And outside of that, you can as well go to the settings app, find apps, and at the bottom and go to the messages right here. And one of the options which you can find is the keep messages, and you can choose between forever, 1 year, and 30 days. And sorry, so as I was saying, you can go to the settings, and in here in the keep messages, you can choose between forever, 1 year, and 30 days. And if you set it to 1 year, for example, it just means that messages older than 1 year are going to be deleted automatically to make sure you don't clutter up the storage too much. And that's essentially the thing which you can do. So let me know if you found this video helpful, and just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.